Hello everyone. Now we are going to start F test unit number 4 in Become semester 6 business statistics. See, first of all, what is F test? In T test we compared population mean and sample mean and means of two small samples. Okay. In short, we complete comparison of means of two samples or population and samples. But in F test we have to compare population variances are equal. So here we have to take H0. Population variance is sigma 1 square is equals to sigma 2 square. Okay. See, here f calculated value is equals to s1 square cap upon s2 square cap, or it may be, wait, s2 square cap, or it may be s2 square cap upon s1 square cap, because in f test always numerator is greater than its denominator. Okay, numerator is always greater than its denominator. So value of f is always greater than 1. Okay, s1 square cap is equals to n1 s1 square upon n1 minus 1, as well as s2 square cap is equals to n2 s2 square upon n2 minus 1. Okay. Now degree of freedom is equals to n1 minus 1 comma n2 minus 1, or it may be n2 minus 1 comma n1 minus 1, depends on our formula. See, if first formula is applied, we have to follow this degree of freedom, and if second formula is applied, we have to follow second degree of freedom. And we know that if f calculated value is greater than f table value, then h0 may be rejected. And if f calculated value is less than f table value, then h0 may be accepted. Okay, so let us start our sums. Our first sum is, the following samples are drawn from two normal populations. Test the hypothesis that the population variances are equal. See the line, population variances are equal. If the question is asking about population variances, we have to follow t-test. And if the question is asking for means, we have to follow t-test. Okay. Okay, first of all, write down H0. Null hypothesis H0, sigma 1 square equal to sigma 2 square, means population variances are equal, and alternate hypothesis H1 is sigma 1 square does not equals to sigma 2 square. Okay, for calculation we have to prepare table. So let me prepare table. Okay, see, our table is ready. X1 and X2. Sample 1 say it is X1 and sample 2 say it is X2. Okay, here nothing is given, so we have to put dash, then we find total of X1, find total of X2. Now see the observations. Observations of X1 and X2, or say it is equals to Y. Okay, but it is okay, X2 is okay. X2 is okay. Now find x1 square, because observations are very small and we need to values s1 square and s2 square. Okay, so first find x1 square. X1 square is 8 square 64, or 10 square 100, 14 square 196, 10 square 100, 13 square 169. Okay, then by find total. Now find x2 square. Squaring x2 144, 225, 121, 256, 196, 196 and 256. Okay, now find out total of x1 square and x2 square respectively. Okay, see, 64 plus 100 plus 196 plus 169 and 100 is 269, and we'll get 629. 629 total of x1 square 629. Now find out total of x2 square. Uh, 144 plus 225 plus 121 plus 256 plus 196 plus 196 plus 256. 1394 is total, 1394. Okay. Okay, now find out s1 square and s2 square respectively. Okay, find s1 square. S1 square is sigma x1 square upon n1 minus sigma x1 upon n1 whole square. Sigma x1 upon n1 whole square. Okay, now substitute the value. Sigma x1 square is 629 divided by total observations. There are total 5 observations divided by 5 minus sigma x1 55 divided by 5 whole square. Okay, now 629 divided by 5. 629 by 5, it gives us 125.8. 125.8 minus 55 upon 5, 11. 11 square is 121. Okay, now subtraction 125 minus 121 is 4.8. Now find out S2 square. S2 square is equals to sigma x2 square upon n2 minus sigma x2 upon n2 whole square. It is equals to sigma x2 square 1394 divided by total number of observations is 7 minus sigma x2 square is 98 divided by 7 whole square. Okay, and it is equals to 1394 divided by 7 equal to 199.14. 199.14 minus 98 by 7 is 14, and 14 square is 196. 196. Okay, now 196, 199.14 minus 196 is 3.14. After getting S1 square and S2 square, find out S1 square cap and S2 square cap. S1 square cap is equals to N1 S1 square upon N1 minus 1. It is equals to N1 is given by 5, S1 square we find 4.8 divided by 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Okay, so it is equals to 5 multiplied by 4.8 divided by 4, it gives us 6. S1 square cap is equals to 6. Now find out S2 square cap. S2 square cap equals to N2 S2 square upon N2 minus 1 is equals to N2 is given by 7. Here we find S2 square is 3.14 divided by N2 minus 1. N2 minus 1, 7 minus 1 is equals to 6, and it gives us 7 multiplied by 3.14 divided by 6 equal to 3.66. Again, let me check. 7 multiplied by 3.14 divided by 6. 3.66. 3.66. Okay, now find out F calculated value. See, what is F calculated value? F calculated value is equals to S1 square cap upon S2 square cap, because S1 square cap is greater than S2 square cap. Okay, and it is equals to S1 square cap is given by 6 divided by 3.66, and it is equals to 6 upon 3.66 equal to 1.64. 1.64. Okay, now degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is equals to df equals to n1 minus 1 comma n2 minus 1 equal to n1 is 5, 5 minus 1 comma n2 is 7, 7 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 and 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, now find table value, therefore f table value equal to, okay, let us see the table. Okay, for n1 equal to 4 and n2 equal to 6. Okay, see what is intersection point. See the table value. There are two values are given. One is boldface and second one is, first one is Roman type and second one is boldface. First value gives us 5% level of significant and second is 1% level of significance. Or value n1 is 4. See, always see here numerator and it is always denominator. n1 n2 તમારે ધ્યાનમાં નથી લેવાના, ખાલી ન્યુમરેટર ડિનોમિનેટર ધ્યાનમાં લ્યો. ચાલો તો 4 and 6, what is the intersection? 4.53 અહીંયા આવે છે. This is 6 and this is equals to 4. Okay, so 4.53 is value. Put down t table value is equals to 4.53. 4.53. Okay, now compare with calculated value. 1.64 is less than f table value. Therefore, here we can write f calculated value is less than f table value. Therefore, h0 may be accepted. Therefore, sigma 1 square equal to sigma 2 square. Here is our second sum. The following sample are drawn from two normal population. Test the hypothesis that population variances are equal. Population variances are equal. If question is asking that population means or two sample means are equal, we have to follow t-test. Okay. So first of all, write down hypothesis H0. Sigma 1 square equal to sigma 2 square, and h1 is alternate hypothesis sigma 1 square does not equals to sigma 2 square. Okay, so let us prepare table first. Okay, see our table is ready. First column sample 1 x1, sample 2 x2. Okay, see observations are very large, so here we are using shortcut method. Find d1. D1 equal to x1 minus a, taking any number as a. Here I am taking 20. Okay, 20 is very comfortable. 22 minus 20, it is equals to 2 minus 5, 18 minus 20 minus 2, 20 minus 20, 0. Here 5, 4 minus 4 and 0. Okay, then by dash dash in last two observations. Find out total. 4 4 cancel, 5 5 cancel, 2 2 cancel, therefore sigma d1 is equals to 0. Now squaring d1. D1 square, d1 square 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 2 square 4, then by 0, 25, 4 square 16, again it is 16, 0 dash dash. Okay, now x2. Find d2. d2 equals to x2 minus a, taking a equal to any number, કોઈ પણ નંબર આપણે લઈ શકીએ. 40 આપણે લઈએ છીએ, એવો નંબર લેવાનો જેથી સબટ્રેક્શન ઇઝીલી કરી શકો. બરાબર છે, તો અહીંયા આવશે -13. 33 minus 40 is -7. 40 minus 40 0, -5 minus 8 minus 5 minus 3 minus 11, 1 and minus 9. Okay, now squaring d1 square. d1 square is equals to 169, 49, 0, 25, 8 square 64, 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 11 square 121, 1 square 1 and 9 square 81. Okay, now find out totals. Okay, first find out total of d1 square. 4 plus 25 plus 4 plus 25 plus 16, 16 2 times it is 32. Total d1 square is 90. Sorry, d1 square is equals to 90. Now find total of d1 and d2 and d2 square. See, here it is 1. આપણે 1 થી start કરીએ. 1 minus 13 minus 7 minus 5 minus 8 minus 5 minus 3 minus 11 and minus 9. It is equals to minus 60. Okay, now find out d1 square. 169 plus 49 plus 25 plus again 25 plus 64 plus 64 plus 9 plus 121 plus 82. 544. 544. Okay. Now find out s1 square and s2 square. Okay. First find s1 square. S1 square is equals to sigma d1 square upon n1 minus sigma d1 upon n1 whole square. It is equals to sigma d1 square. Here we find 90. Okay, 90 divided by number of observation. Let me calculate 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. 90 by 8 minus sigma d1 is 0, 0 by 8 whole square. Okay, અને 0 નો મૂકીએ તો પણ ચાલે. 90 divided by 8 is equals to 11.25. Okay, now find s2 square. s2 square is equals to sigma d2 square upon n2 minus sigma d2 upon n2 whole square. Okay, now substitute the values. Sigma d2 square 544 divided by n is equals to 10 minus sigma d2 is minus 60 by 10 whole square. Okay, now solve this. 544 upon 10, it is equals to 54.4 minus 60 upon 10 minus 6 minus 6 square is 36. Okay, 54.4 minus 36. It is equals to 18.4. 18.4. Now find out s1 square cap and s2 square cap respectively. S1 square cap is equals to n1 s1 square upon n1 minus 1. So n1 is given by 8. 8 multiplied by 11.25 divided by 7. Okay, now calculate 8 multiplied by 11.25 divided by 7. It gives us 12.86. 12.86. Now find out s2 square. s2 square cap. s2 square cap equals to n2 s2 square upon n2 minus 1 equal to n2 is 10 multiplied by 18.4 divided by 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Okay, so 18.4 into 10, 184 by 9, it gives us 20.44. 20.44. Okay, now find out. I've calculated value. See, here s2 square cap is greater than s1 square cap. Okay, for I've calculated value, we have to use the formula s2 square cap upon s1 square cap, and it is equals to 20.44 divided by 12.86. ચાલો તો આને ડિવાઈડ કરીએ આપણે. So 20.44 divided by 12.86, 1.59, approximately 1.59. Okay, now find degree of freedom. So degree of freedom is equals to, હવે શું થઈ જશે અહીંયા તો કે ભાઈ S2 is greater than S1 એટલે આપણા માટે આ રીતે થશે N2 minus 1, N1 minus 1. So N2 minus 1, N2 is 10, 10 minus 1, 8 minus 1. It is equals to 9, 7. Okay. Now find F table value for 9, 7. Therefore, F table value is equals to, okay, let us see the table. Okay, 9 comma 7, we have to see 9 comma 7. Okay, so our numerator is 9. This is our numerator and this is our denominator. Okay, so first value 9, see here it is 9. And second value is 7. Find intersection of both the points, it is 3.68. See, this is 7 and this is 9. So 3.68 is table value. 3.68. Okay, 3.68. See, calculated value 1.59, table value 3.68. So we can write here F calculated value is less than F table value. Therefore, hypothesis may be accepted. Therefore, sigma 1 square equal to sigma 2 square. Okay. So students, we completed here our long sums. In next video, we will complete short sum of F test. Okay. So goodbye everyone.